Hi, my name is Christine Harms. I am the controller of the Arizona Cardinals. I handle all of the day-to-day accounting for accounts payable, accounts receivable, all of the financial statement production, and reports for leadership. There are a lot of before and after ROIs that have occurred just in our small time of using Vena. We've been able to produce the commission statements. That function used to take about 10 days. That function now takes about 4 or 5 seconds. So we're able to give those 4 commission statements out within the first hour of the first business day. And it allows both our customer to review it, make any questions or have any assessments or anything that they're asking about, and enough time for us to give feedback to them or make adjustments if there needs to be adjustments. Another thing is that we can now run our trial balances independently. It used to be that if we wanted to see our trial balance in Excel, we would have to wait for 2 minutes after the hour. With Vena, we're able to run those trial balances in seconds. We're basically getting all of our entries in, and we can push a button and then immediately go in and check out that file and the trial balance is there. I can look at any data source and say, I wonder how I could pull that together in Vena. I started looking at the point of sale systems. Can I pull this data in to create the revenue entry? Can I pull this data in to help with the bank reconciliation? And systematically, one by one, it was like, oh, wow.